Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is the Boxy Charm October 2022 unboxing. Yeah, it's a little late. It's okay. It's here now. It's here. Yeah, if you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you to help give your look a kiss. That's what I do. That's what I'm here for. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, comment, share. Without further ado, let's get on Boxy. Fresh. Here we go. Okay, we got our little card. Boxy Charm this month says, everyone will be under your spell. Okay, and then we have all of our products, their descriptions, and their prices. Cool. So, let us start with our facial care products. And this is from Earth Harbor. And it is their Celestine? I'm probably saying that wrong. Celestine? That sounds prettier. Celestine. Hydro Pumping Peptide Serum, seaweed peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Cool color! So if you watched last week's video, the Ipsy 2022 October unbagging, yep, also got a Earth Harbor product. It's the same kind of color. I do like this color a lot. Let's check out this Hydro Pumping Peptide Serum. You know what? Let's have fun with it. Nice little jelly serum. Fun. Ooh, that's fresh. Wow. Like there's something like lime. There is definitely a citrus we're working on in here. So far, I like it. Am I glowing? Am I plump? Ooh, it's a little sticky. It's a little sticky. We'll see how this sets. But I do actually like the feeling of it on my skin. Next, what's this guy? Ooh, Symbiosis London. So this is a hyaluronic acid and RNA depuffing and dark circles relief eye serum. Dark circles, I don't know anything about this. Let's give this sucker a try. Sort of like jelly consistency here. Thick. It's thick. All right, and this is a 0.5 fluid ounce product. All right, okay. Are you gonna, $127. Will it carry my baggage? Next up is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Base Eye Primer. And this is enriched with coconut and pomegranate seed oil. Okay, so we've got an eyeshadow base. Oh, this looked like something like I would take the cap off and then, you know, squeeze, but it does in fact have an applicator, like what would be like a concealer applicator. So I'm wondering if this is just like, what color is this? Is that? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this... It's my skin tone. Okay, it's not... You know, normally eyeshadow base, it's like lighter, or it's just like a sticky cream or serum or something, but this is actually like a concealer that I would wear as a foundation. It's kind of just melting into my skin here. I'm not mad at that. Let's see how it works as a eyeshadow primer. It's a little sticky, but it's literally like just kind of melting into my tone. Like, I feel like if I wanted to do a natural look, I could do this and just kind of powder it down. And wow, that's pretty cool. Another cruelty-free product, absolutely. Huh. You know, I usually just use my concealer for my eyeshadow base, but this is before, after. Well, there's only one real way to check this out, and that's with some eyeshadow. Luckily, Boxy has us covered with that. Every month, sending you a full-size eyeshadow palette. And this month is the, I'm gonna say everything wrong, CIATE, there's an accent here, CIATE London Spice Palette. This is like a 9 shade. Yes, we have a 9 shade. Let's take a gander. Ooh, pretty. That is pretty. We have a few mattes, we have a few shimmers. Do you recognize these brushes? Did you see the, yeah, let's try some eyeshadow on here. Let's go this guy right in the middle. This mauvier guy called Cranberry. We're going with Cranberry. Ooh. Okay. A lot of pigment, and this eyeshadow primer is like, it is clinging to it. I know we're doing 2 products at once right now. It's fine. Let's try, just to test our little basey guy, let's try the Cranberry on the other lid that we didn't prime. So you can already see how well this eyeshadow primer is just, it is holding onto that pigment and just not moving. Whereas, you know, without it, this eyeshadow, I feel like definitely needs a primer. This needs a primer because it's just kind of all over the place for me right now. And not really, you can't really see the pigment without the primer. Let's check out this shimmery guy. I'm gonna get wild, I'm gonna put it under my eye. It's kind of coppery, what is this? Apple pie. This does not give me apple pie, but okay. Well, that's a fun little shade, fun little metallic. Maybe we add a little, what is this guy? This champagne-y tone is Moonlit. I didn't know moonlighting was a spice. Okay, not necessarily, as usual, my color palette, but that's okay. Primer is working great. It is still a solid palette. I love how highly pigmented the mattes are. I love how smooth the consistency of each pot is. Last up, product number 5 is Pure. We got a little umlauf over this. Pure fully charged mascara. This is vegan friendly, gluten-free, PETA approved. I'm a little disappointed in the way it arrived. All okay. There appears to have been a struggle. And this is in black. So I think this is also this is gluten-free as well. Yes, vegan friendly, gluten-free, PETA approved. Yes, cool. So let's check out a vegan, gluten-free, fully charged mascara. I feel like if you go, like I'm kind of having to like put it on. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just crazy. No, I'm actually having to like put this on. Aggressive blinking. I mean, it's pretty, it's voluminous. It builds nicely. I mean, it's I don't know, it's a decent mascara. I'm not like wowed by it. For me. And oh, I just noticed that on the charged, it's a little magnet, which is giving me total the Wile E. Coyote vibes, like giant magnet. I mean, trying it on, I'm like, oh, actually, wait a minute. So I've let it sit for a second. Maybe there is something to this. Maybe. Because I feel like I didn't put it on this nice and it's just kind of like set. It's just kind of settling into a nice little like shape for me. I might be really into this mascara. I'm not sure yet, but maybe. I feel like I could layer this up, like build it a bit into a really good falsy look. So yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna roll with this. What did I say? This is a $22 mascara. Cool. So really feel like with all the products that they sent us, all 5 products from our Boxycharm Base Box this month, I'm, for the most part, pretty impressed here. Loving the feel of the Earth Harbor, the Celestine plumping serum. I'm liking the way this sits on my skin. It is still a little sticky, so I feel like you could apply this and this is your moisturizer and primer. Great, love that. Not sure if it's like plumping yet, but we'll see after a bit of use. I have a few of these Earth Harbor products actually from between Boxy and Ipsy, a lot of them. So if you'd like to see a full skincare regimen with the Earth Harbor products, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know. What else? So they also sent the Symbiosis Hyaluronic Acid Depuffing Dark Circle. I'm not seeing an immediate result, but I'm looking forward to trying it. I mean, a $127 eye serum must have its benefit, right? So keep an eye on my baggage going forward, ladies and gentlemen, because we are popping this in. The eyeshadow base in combination with the palette this month, great. I like this primer. I think I'm gonna experiment with this as a concealer because I'm just loving the base tone and how it just kind of vanished onto my skin. And it's still a little sticky, and that's fine. I'm wondering how that would do with like a setting situation. I'm gonna play with it. The palette this month, gorgeous palette, really great quality eyeshadows. You could definitely make some fun fall looks with these. My thing that has me put off is just the names and the colors are just not matching up for me, but it's a quality palette. I like the packaging. solid, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna say 4.5 out of 5 on this one, on this BoxyCharm unboxing. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for the a little bit kind of sort of very late unboxing BoxyCharm October 2022 edition. Had a great time trying all 5 full-size products. My link is down below if you want to check out the Ipsy subscription or the Boxy subscription. In every video I do with these subscriptions, boom, right there, description down below. If you want to check out also, you know, while you're just on the internet, my Facebook or Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. You could also, you know, maybe check me out over on giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there, happen to find yourself in the New York City area, I don't know, like, book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We'll have a great time. Till next time, guys, though, give your hair a